it'd be good to make a video about how to assemble a Perfital Mixing Machine from Santint. So this is how your package will arrive to you off the semi-truck. Once you unwrap your package, it'll look like this, with the two side rails on top and all the components underneath it, including the shelves on the back side. Here, come on around and look. So I'm going to move the side rails out of the way, which will leave us to the beginning of the shelves on this side of the skid. The header panel and the base plate is shrink wrapped together, and then all the shelving mechanisms are all wrapped to a package. They're 3 stats tall. From this point, you're going to start to unassemble the shelving units of these. So there's 3 of them here, and there's 2 per package. So once you strip the plastic off, you'll expose this end plate. These end plates are removed by bending them backwards. They're sharp, so be careful. Now these 2 units are separated. There's one on either side of the shelf. So be sure to take them apart and then set them up wherever you're going to go assemble the machine. That's it. Once you separate the pallet into different sections of stuff, you'll find you have your quart mixing lids, your gallon mixing lids. You're going to have a box of quart risers if you're going to put them on a gallon shelf. Some repair parts if needed. Also included in that last box, you're going to find these pieces of hardware. The driveline assembly, including the very base, the next level up, and then 4 1-liter shelf drivelines, the covers that go over the top of them, these 2 templates to measure the height of where the shelves are going to go. These are very important, and we're going to focus in on them later. They give you a hardware kit including 2 Allen keys and a screwdriver and some shims and some wire ties. I'm going to opt to use my driver bit instead of using it by hand, but whatever you want to do, it's up to you. Once you unpackage all the main components of the mixing machine itself, you'll find you have a header panel, a base panel. This will serve as the bottom shelf of the machine. Inside the packaging for the base panel, you'll find these 2 wire tensioning cables. These will be used on the back end of the machine at the very end of the install. 2 side rails. It's important now to note that these 2 side rails are different, and they must be installed in the proper order, or you'll have to take the machine apart and do it again. So focus your attention on these 2 stickers. They're set at different heights. That'll be very important in the install. After that, you'll find you have 1 gallon shelf and then 5 universal shelves that can be either set for liters or for gallons, depending on how you configure your machine. Finally, on each of the 3 units that were wrapped up on the pallet, you'll find one of these bags with plastic hangers. These you'll need to install on the side rails as we assemble. We'll focus in on that a little bit more when we get that far. And finally, you'll have the base motor assembly with the drive line and the switch already assembled, the power cord that'll plug into the bottom of the switch assembly and go to your wall. And lastly, we'll have the other side of the machine's base. Now let's put it together.